Hey, hello, hello. So, this is our first stream, and this is more of a testing come some value to you type of a video. And basically, what I'm trying to do here is give you a preview of how you can use ChatGPT to train yourself on ChatGPT. So, you have to turn everything on head nowadays to really make sense of anything, if you know what I mean. So, here I've done a quick, chat with the chat GPT, and it is about uh, how should we go about training ourselves on chat GPT. And if you look at it, what we have got going around here is that the first chat that I've put in is I'm new to ChatGPT. Help me with a 10-day program to learn from the scratch. So I didn't go about buying training programs or looking for people who can train me on this. I simply went to ChatGPT and asked this question. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is that this is ChatGPT 4.0, which is premium version, and it has some features like online access and accessing online internet websites and all, which the normal standard ChatGPT doesn't have. So coming back to it, once we have given that command, right, gives us a 10-day program, which you can see is very, very organized, and it says the first day you have to learn about what ChatGPT is and how it works. It has given specific tasks, read about what, explore main uses of what, and practice asking simple questions to get feel for how it responds. So, you know, uh, if you go by this 10-day program, you are likely to get a lot of understanding of how ChatGPT works. But as you know, we want to jump the classes and we want to straight away get into it. If that's the case, what we've done is we have picked up the topic here, which was read about basics of AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. So we went ahead and put the command here saying read about the basics of AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. Help me with best knowledge resource extract to make a quick sense of this. Now, why we are saying this? We are saying this because we don't want reams of paper or hours of video to go through. We want quick grasp of the subject and subject matter, and for that, if you will specifically ask ChatGPT, it will give you that specifically. So here you have, it gives you what is the definition, what are the key concepts, you can read through them and understand. It even goes up to the extent of giving you specific videos about that you can go through and understand things better. So let's look at a sample here. So we have got machine learning basics, a beginner guide to machine learning. um, okay, this one seems interesting. NLP in 10 minutes. I'll just run it so that we can also test the audio through whether it is coming to you or not. So we have got a ad going on. I'll just skip this, and now you have the actual. Looks like you can listen to what is being said. You might argue they've always had this capability. Back in episodes 9 and 12, we talked about machine language. So there you have it. It gives you a clean access to a resource which you can go through. Then I've gone ahead and demonstrated how ChatGPT can help you in processing Excel sheets. So what I've done is first I've asked, can you help me in processing Excel sheets for data analysis? And then it has given the steps to analyze, which is not exactly we wanted. And then what we have gone to do is we have given another command, which is I have an Excel sheet with data and I want to analyze for specific items. Is this something you can do if I upload the Excel sheet? So it says yes, I can definitely help you analyze an Excel sheet, please upload the file, and so on. So I didn't have an Excel sheet ready which I could demonstrate by analysis, and also I wanted to keep things simple. So what I did was I did a reverse of what we were doing here, and I just asked what are top 10 countries with highest population in the world. So it is given 10 countries. Then what we have done is we've asked, can you put this data in Excel sheet, which it did. And here is the Excel sheet. Just a second. So it gave the Excel sheet, which is here. It is saying view analysis, no worries. So what we actually want is, okay, so here it has put in the Excel sheet. Now, okay, so these things keep changing, no worries. So what we say is bring the Excel sheet generated here. Okay, so now, okay, no worries. So what we will say is, what are the top 10 highest population countries? So once we have done that, we've got the countries. Now we say put that in a Excel sheet. Okay, so now it is analyzing, it will put that into Excel sheet, which is here. I'll open this to show you. There you go, so India is showing second. That is because probably the official records are not still reflecting that India has overtaken China, but that doesn't matter. Moment of pride for Indians. Anyways, so coming back, here we have, now what we can say is arrange the data from lowest to highest. Okay, so because we were not too specific, it has given two Excel sheets. The data is lowest to highest. This has been arranged from lowest to highest. You can download the sorted Excel sheet from the link below. Okay, so we'll look at this. There you go. You have lowest and highest. So the whole point of demonstrating this is that you can demonstrate complex problems. Sorry, you can use this aspect to solve a lot of issues that you might be facing on Excel sheets. Now, one thing you have to be very careful here, that you cannot just take any data from your company or your office and try to analyze on ChatGPT without talking to your superiors or what the policies are at your office or place of work. So understand there are some legal issues here. You should abide by your policies which are applicable in your company, and if you want to look at analyzing the data that you have in hand for official purposes, that's the matter for you to solve. You have to abide by whatever policies are laid by in your places of work. But I'm not talking about that here. I'm talking about the power of analysis that is available to anyone, each and everyone around the world right now, to use ChatGPT and simplify their work on Excel. So that is the reason I have used this sheet here, and you can do the same thing with any of the sheets that you think is good for analysis here. And before going further, let's ask ChatGPT why it is showing India as second number in population. India has overtaken China on population. Why are you still showing India at second number? So there you have it, just a little bit of hygiene. Okay, you are right. Recent updates indicate that India has overtaken China as the most populous country. Here's the corrected ranking. Wow! So there you see it. If you have questions, if you're talking to ChatGPT in a manner where you need help, it is always willing to be flexible in most of the time. Sometimes it it is very difficult, and that time you should know that probably ChatGPT is being moody. Anyways, so that's it for now. And just before we go, I had demonstrated something else. So here, write a witty and funny intro about Microsoft Excel. So what it says is, welcome to the world of Microsoft Excel, where rows and columns come to life and every cell has a story. Excel is like that one friend who's little too organized, slightly obsessed with grades, and never misses a chance to remind you that there's always a formula for that. Whether you are calculating your budget and realizing how broke you are, building pivot tables that make you look smarter than you feel, or just trying to find where all these hidden rows went, Excel is your trusty sidekick. It's the original spreadsheet drama queen because nothing says excitement like a XYZ error at 4 p.m. on Friday. So what I did was, next I said make that in Spanish. Here you have it. Make it in Marathi. There you have it. Make it in Kannada. There you have it. So you see how flexible it is, and that's the whole point. I just wanted to do a quick update on this, and hope you liked it. If there's anything specific that you want me to run through and probably demonstrate, I can do that. You can ask for it by posting your comment. If you feel I should cover something else in my videos, just let me know. I would be happy to do it. So I'm planning to be live at 6 p.m. every day, and that should be good for now. Peace. Thank you.